Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. I am Pooja here, and it's day 14th of our consistency, and we are continuing with the SQL series. And in the SQL series, in the last video, we are revising that how to how to run aggregate functions and how to use the aggregate values, and also using the kind of logics that are very helpful for us when we are dealing with the database. Okay, so if you wanted to go through with the last thing, that how we done all the things, so please check out my last videos. Okay, so on the 14th day of our consistency, I will continue with the next questions, and as daily we are doing, I will continue with the three questions. And also from the last video, it means from the 13th video, we will in the last 12th video, we will done and complete all the hackering questions for the easy level. Now we are dealing with the medium level of question from the 13th video, and today is the 14th day, so let's continue with this. Okay, so the pairs and the binary tree was the last question I had done. So if you wanted to know that how I deal with these questions and get the optimized query, so please refer my last video. And now for today, I will continue with the question title as a new companies. So let's continue. Okay. Okay. So MySQL. Okay. So Embers conglomerate corporate just acquired some new companies. Each company has below hierarchy. Okay, so there is a name of a corporate which is acquiring some new companies. It means maybe they are overtake or maybe are launching new companies, and they are following hierarchy. First of all, they have founder, then lead manager, senior manager, manager, employee. So basically, in our corporate world, there we are having hierarchy. The same hierarchy is here. Okay. Now, what the query? Given the table schema below, write a query to print the company code, founder name, total number of lead managers, total number of senior managers, and total number of managers. Okay, and the total number of employees. Okay, so got it? You think what we have to? We have to print the employee company code, founder left, founder, found company code, founder name, total number of a lead manager, total number of senior manager, total number of manager, total number of employees. Okay, and we have to order by the ascending company code. Company codes ascending, order by company code ascending. Okay, yeah. So the table may contain duplicate records. Okay, so we have, if table is contain duplicate, so maybe it will be a vulgar error. So we will using a distinct function here for finding the total numbers. Okay, now what is the second note? The company code is a string. Okay, this is a code, so sorting should not be numerical. Okay, not be numerical. Okay, for example, if the company codes are like this, so the ascending order of company C1, C10 and 12. Okay, yeah. So C1, C10 and C1. So, yeah. So company codes are strings, so we have to order them in a sort them in a non-numeric order. It means we have to sort according to the first value and then the length, the kind of a thing. Okay. Now, input format what will be? So there is a company table having two columns, company code and founder, lead manager table having lead manager code and company code. Company code is a common in both table. Okay. So on senior manager has having a three columns, senior, lead and company. Okay. Okay. And the manager having four column, that particular manager having a senior manager and then the lead manager and the company code, that which company it was belong to, and then the employee, so employee having the last 5 columns. Employee code, what is the code of an employee? Then the manager code, if it is a manager, so having manager code. And if it is a senior manager, so having senior manager, and the lead manager, and the company code, the what company to refer. Okay. Now this is the schema for the table, that what how the tables are structured for the company. Now now the continue with the simple output, that what the tables may contain. Okay, it is a simple output, not the actual data for that. So continue. Okay, so company table will contain this kind of Monica and Samantha, and the lead manager, both are these are the company codes, and the Monica and Samantha are the founders of the company, and also L1M and L12 will be the lead manager of the company, and the lead manager also having some senior manager under them, and having these managers, and this senior manager also having the manager under them. So M1, M2, M3 with the manager, and having this senior manager, and the senior manager having the lead manager, like, and this lead manager belong to particular company. Okay, now employee table will contain the employee code, and the employees belong to the particular manager, and the particular manager, and so on and so on. So you got my point. Okay, now what will be the output? So what the query says, we have to find the particular company, then company's founder, then what are the number of the lead manager, then lead manager, then the senior manager, then the manager code, and then the employee. Okay, so this is the they are referring. Okay, so what I said is written here. If you wanted to go, just pause the video and I'm zoom it, so you can go through it. Okay, now I will continue with the boilerplate code, that what they are. So what they are asking me, again I will come to query. So write a query to print the company code. Okay, so I will print a company code. First I will select company code. Okay, so company code belongs to COMPANY, company table, and COMPANY, company code. Okay, this is a company code. Okay, now what they are asking for, now they are asking for the founder name. Okay, so company's founder, COMPANY, company table having a founder. Okay, now this is what, now what they are asking for next, they are asking for the lead manager's total count. Okay, so now count, and also they are saying that the table may contain, where is it, may contain duplicates, so I will use a distinct here, DISTINCT, distinct of what, distinct of lead manager's count. So for the lead manager I will refer this lead manager, and I directly count the number of codes. Okay, so what is it, LEAD, lead, MANAGER, lead manager dot lead, MANAGER, manager code. Okay, this is what the lead manager code they are asking for. Now the count, wait a minute, now for the count, now this is a lead manager, and after lead manager they are asking for the senior manager. Okay, the senior manager may be again be many duplicates, so DISTINCT, distinct of what, distinct of senior manager. I will just take it a senior, distinct of senior manager, total manager, and employees. Okay, so both the things I will refer from this employee table. Okay, so this lead manager is done. Now senior manager, a senior manager from which table, so it's from senior, so SENIOR, senior, MANAGER, senior manager dot SENIOR, senior, sorry SENIOR, senior, MANAGER, manager code code. Okay, so senior manager dot senior manager code, these are the distinct. Now after that what they are asking, again asking for the total of the distinct, total of what, total of senior, then after manager. So managers come from manager table, so manager manager dot manager code. Okay, so this is the manager code, and after the manager code they will for ask for an employee. Okay, so count distinct employee employee code. Okay, so this is the thing that we have to give in output, but from how? Now from, okay, start with the early one. With of course, if we are dealing with the multiple tables, so we have to use joins, because we have to find the particular set of output for the multiple values. Okay, now from, and also we have to specially use a left join because we want the all values from the left. It means from the company we want all values. Okay, so company, company, I just copy here company code equals to what? Lead manager code. Lead manager dot lead managers dot company code. Okay, lead manager dot company code, and will end, not end, then from, sorry, I've just from company, then left join lead, sorry, manager, lead manager. Okay, lead manager, and on the condition what? On the condition this. Okay, then again left join left join on what? Now this will form one new table. Company and the lead manager form a new table, and after that the lead manager, this table I will again do a left join with the senior manager table. So again with the left join, SENIOR senior and MANAGR senior manager. Okay, now on what the condition? The condition is also clear that the same thing I have to copy from here, and a small change, then in the place of a lead manager, it's a senior manager, SENIOR senior manager. The same thing is here. Now this three will form a one table, and from this one table I have to again left join one new table, that is a manager table. Okay, MANAGR manager. On what condition they are asking for? Similarly again the company code will be the manager's company code, and then at last again left join this whole company lead manager senior manager tables summation with the next left join with the employee. Okay, so it's employee, as I'm left join employee. Yeah, on what condition? Again the condition is the same. Now here will be the employee's company. Now you will ask me a question that why I am just using the company's code, company's tables, company column again, because this is the one column which is common in the all tables, because all tables, I'm sitting, I'm having my, if I will be belong to company, so if I will be a manager, so I am having my employee ID, and I am also having my company ID. I belong to company. If we are let's consider a scenario that if we are in a room and having a different people, like people from Accenture, from Capgemini, and from Impetus, and kind of a different companies. So how will I identify them? That we will directly ask which company you are referring, which company you are from. So company code is the same there where the which company is from. Okay, so the company code is doing the same thing. Okay, now this is the condition that how the company all the tables will join. Or after that, now on the condition, what we have to group by group by what we have to group by company, this one, and also UMP. Actually, I think I subject. No, this is company. This small mistake here. UMPANY. This is what why I'm telling many times that please spell the spelling, because uh, right now I've catched this spelling, but when I am in an interview and I will just do the same thing, I will be getting a panic that where is I just wrote a wrong thing. So it's better to spell the spellings. Okay, so company founder. Yeah, I am in a group by clause and I have to group by with the two thing. First, I have to group by with the company name, that the all the company belongs to C1 will be the company, and then company founder. Why I'm using a company founder here? Because may if I'm not taking the company founder in this case, it will cause an ambiguity problem. Okay, now group by. After group by, I have to use order by condition, and according to which I have to order the result set. Result set will be order ascending order of company code. So company code will be here. That's it. This is what the thing will say. So company is telling us to name of company code, founder, and the lead manager count, senior manager count, and employee count. And we are here joining all the tables. Okay, from and then we will group by the whole thing, that how we will find the thing. So we will use the company code to group all the things, and then we will count in one by one. And then order by is used for what? Order by is used for the so ready to run the code, and I'm running the code. And my net is quite slow. Maybe the query is more lengthy, that's why it was taking time, I think. And I think let's go through with the query once first. So it will be the coming in error, so we'll get it prior. Select company code, and then company dot founder. Yeah, as I say, there is a company. So managers distinct, yeah, yes, distinct manager code and count distinct will be manager code and count distinct manager code. What was there the name? Small manager, small code is there, and the reference manager. Is there one more bracket? I think no, it's 3 and 3 is here. Distinct employee code EMP. Then why is giving error? Syntax error corresponding to the version. I'm using MySQL. Distinct DIS distinct manager. Let's minute. Yeah, here's the point is that I am using one extra bracket, that's why it's giving me error. So now it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So let's run the code again. Distinct manager code from employee left join lead manager on the company code, and the left join senior manager company code and senior manager code. Yeah, so company code left join manager code left join company code, and the yeah, according to me the query is right, but let's get that what the compiler says and what the query says. Okay, it was quite, yeah, so well done. We got our correct answer in the short 2 because short 1 will be crashed was crashed. Okay, so ready to submit the code and starting submit the code, and it may take a several time because the query was too lengthy, and here is the mapping between the table was also quite complex. It's almost 20 minutes for only one query today. In this time I will in my last video having three queries. Yeah, because the also the questions are in the level increase, that medium level question. Okay, so compare message success, and the input was as usual correct, and the output for the now congratulations banner is here. Moving forward with the next code, and I am done with. If you have any query regarding this question, please tell me in the comment box. I will definitely solve that. Thank you. And yeah, so concede with the next query. What is it? So concede, it's a weather observation stations 18. Okay, consider P1 AB and P2 ABC. There are the 2 points on a 2D plane. Okay, A happen the equals to the minimum latitude of this yeah, northern latitude, and B will be the minimum western longitude. A will be the maximum northern latitude, and D happens to be maximum longitude station. Okay, query the Manhattan distance between the P1 and P2 and round it to scale of the 4 decimals. Okay, so what is the Manhattan distance? Before the thing, we have to understand it, because A, B, and C, D are the okay things we know what are how to find them, but how the Manhattan distance found. So let's continue. So Manhattan distance. So Manhattan distance, the definition between the distance between the 2 points measure along the axis of the right angle, and simply it is a kind of a formula that mod x1 minus x2 plus x2 minus x1 is the Manhattan distance. So if x1 x2, how will get a point? Okay, let's p1 having a and b, and similarly the p2 having C and D. So if we are putting these values in this thing, so we'll get it. If let's consider it x1 and y1, and it is x2 and y2. So what will be? So mod of x1 minus x2. Okay, so max minus mean or mean minus max will be equal because there is a mod. Okay, so max of longitude, mean of longitude, max of latitude, mean of latitude. So latitude minus longitude of mean. So max latitude minus mean longitude, or longitude minus mean longitude, kind of a thing. Okay, now this is what the formula. I'll say that please focus on the formula instead of all this rubbish thing that what are the tuition telling. We have to just focus on the output, that what you have to get. Okay, so this is the thing that what the Manhattan distance is. Continue with the question. Okay, this is the thing. First of all, I will change my database question. This is okay. Consider P1 AB, P1 AB, and P2 CD. Now A will be the minimum, B will be the minimum, C will be the maximum, and D will be. So x1 y1 x2 y2. The x1 minus x2, it means minimum of northern, maximum of northern. Okay, so what is tell? Let's select. Okay, now round the scale, round it on the decimal. So from the last video if you got, so for the rounding scale we are using the round function. Okay, now from where? Station. Now the main logic is in the round, that how to write this condition. This is the art. Okay. Everyone not I am not noting that what is the Manhattan distance, but everyone know, I think so. It is art that how to write it, so we will focus on the writing the distance instead of getting the output. Okay, so what is the Manhattan distance? It was, so carefully observe what the thing is happening. Okay, mod, okay, mod, then max and minus mean. X1 minus x2 will be the max and the mean of a particular latitude or longitude, longitude. So max and mean will be subtracted, and the what maybe it will be containing negative value, so the negative value will be converted to the positive. So for positive, what function will use? It will use abstract function. It will use abstract. So ABS, abstract function. Now max of what? Max of yeah, max of what? Max of A. What is A containing? A containing a latitude. Okay, then minus mean of latitude. So abstract mean mod of max of latitude minus mean of latitude. So this is the half what we have write. We have written this. Now add and then again this. Okay, sorry. Then add it. Yeah, abstract. Then add it. Then again abstract. Absolute. Absolute value of. Sorry for the background noise. And longitude, max of longitude minus mean of longitude. Okay, yeah, so what the condition is? It, I will return it here. Okay, what it tells? It tells mod of x1 minus x2, then add, then y1 minus y2. So is it happening? Let's check. Yeah, so abstract, yes, sorry, absolute, yeah, it is absolute is here. Okay, now x1 will be the minimum, so there is a no point that how to write max and minimum, because there is a mod here, so I can change or alter their positions. Okay, and x2 be the maximum, yeah, max minimum. Then again the plus is here, yeah, it's here, and x1 is here, yeah, here, and x2 is here, yeah, it is here, and uh, absolute, yeah, is here. Okay, all the things are here. And also at last it is scale on the 4 decimal places, yeah, there is a round function and which is scaling on the 4 position. So everything is a clear. Okay, now ready to run the code, and I am continuing with the running the code, giving me the absolute right answer. Okay, so if you wanted to get the code answer in a one shot, right, so please, I will tell you first thing what is spell the spellings to avoid the spelling mistake which cause the error. Second one, try to figure out that what is the order of the things to write in the query, instead of focusing on the questions output, that what will be the focus. Okay, try to figure out the functions what will you use in the query, and then try to figure out the order of the functions we have to use in the query. Okay, so for this question I will stop it here for this question. And if you have a doubt regarding this question, weather observation 18, so please tell me, and tell in comments, I will definitely try to explain you. Okay, continue with the next question, that is a weather of observation 19. Let's continue. Okay, the question is the same. Consider P1 P2 and having 2 points and particular latitude longitude. P1 A1 and B1 क्या होगा, maximum minimum value of northern latitude, and C and D will be the minimum maximum of the longitude, longitude, maximum minimum. Okay, now query the Euclidean distance. Okay, so what is this? We have to find first this. Okay. What will, okay, now continue reading, it will loading. Between the points P1 P2, and forward your answer to the 4 decimal. Okay, so we have to round, use the round function here. Okay, now what is the Euclidean distance? Yeah, for a 2 dimension is it here? Okay, square root, then square. Okay, so max minus mean, longitude max, longitude mean, this is what? Okay, longitude max minus longitude mean, and then what will be the result will be square, and the same for latitude, and then sum, and then their square root will be what? Sorry, where is it? Yeah, it will be the Euclidean panel plane. Okay, what will be the main focus on this thing? Okay, I will copy it, and in the weather observation I will put it here. So I will took it as a reference, and I will comment down it. So okay, so square root, then square, then square. Okay, so I will refer this thing. Now continue with the code. So for a square root, what I've used a square root function for the squaring the things. There's a two ways of squaring. Either I will just use a multiply operator and a into a, or either use a power function, which is a quite standardized thing of using a power function instead of multiply, because we are here to revise, and we are to here to some learn, we are here to learn something new. So I will use a power function here. Okay, so select. Okay, after selecting, what they are asking, first of all round. Okay, round the question to the round from station. Okay, now round now what, square root. So SQRT, square root function I will use here. Now inside a square root, what we want to square? Okay, so POWER, power. So up to 2. Okay, what to power? So max of northern latitude. So LAT, latitude north, minus, sorry, minus mean of latitude north, square root, and then again I have to use power function for now, now this time for the longitude. Okay, LONG, longitude of western longitude, and then minus mean of LONG, longitude, western longitude. Okay, so what the query says, we have to square root. Yes, we are square rooting here, and then power that, we have to square it. This one is square is okay. So latitude max minus latitude mean will give any kind of a value, maybe a negative value, so square will be turned into positive, so the square root will be not affected. Okay, the same will be done for a longitude, max minus mean, and then yeah, and using a round for rounding up. Okay, from the station, all as obvious. Now run the code, and it's unknown command. Where is it? Unknown command. Line 4. Line 4. Unknown command. Why it's happening here? Now, okay. Again running the code. and unknown command again. I think I have to erase it here, either from here, because maybe after it will causing error. Incorrect parameter function power. Pow. Is it pow or power? Actually, that is a pow function, not a power function. I read it wrong, that it is a pow function, P-O-W. Pow function, not a power function. Pow. Yeah, it's pow. Then why it's giving me function called? Actually, the question is that I didn't read the query. Sorry, error. Incorrect parameters. Okay. So in there, pow function having two parameters, but here it's only one now. That's why it is giving me error. Okay, so pow function with the two parameters, and what it will raise the max and mean to the, what is again playing with me, and here too. Okay, let's come closer. So it's for pow, and now it is for what? It is for next power function. What is for next power function? It is for here power function. It is for max. Excuse me. Don't need for this, and this is for the power function. Now this is for which power function? It's for SQRT. Now this is for the max, longitude, latitude, and now it is for power, and now it is for the SQRT. Now it was correct. So in SQL, brackets are also causing me wrong error, wrong answer. Why it is giving wrong answer? Let's check to the thing. Four decimal point. Yeah, what is giving me? We have to add, and we have to adding here. So SQRT's power function. Let's. Here is the error because of this arrangement. Okay, I will just separate it one and one is to one thing. So for the max there is a 1, round, this is for the power, and power will, okay, this is for the power, this is for the SQRT, and the plus having its own, and then power having its max, and the max longitude latitude. Yeah, then from here, where is for the power? No one for power. So for power is here, and now this is for the round. Is giving me error that there is one more extra. Yeah, so yeah, I got the point that why it is happening, because we are having one more and extra thing is here. Okay, so we have to just add one here, because the power function, because the SQRT function has to cover whole, not the power function. Okay, the power function is here, and then here. Now let's hope this will work today. For now, okay, it's working. I'm just getting tired for this. So congratulations is here. Test case was passed, and now fetching the result for the test case. Compiler success, and with this question, and the banner is here. With this question, I am done for today. If you have any further doubts regarding this 3 questions, especially for the last one, so please comment down. And now the 3 checkpoints are here for SQL. First, spell the spellings because it cause error with a single letter missing. Okay. Second one, always try to figure out that which function is used and what will be the order for the functions. Okay, the third one is always map or try to figure or try to mark that which bracket is closing and which bracket is opening. For each opening bracket there must be a closing bracket, and for a closing and opening there will be a particular place in the SQL. If you are doing one mismatch between these things, so it will cause an error. Last you see for the last 2 or 3 minutes I am suffering from this. Okay, so for today I am done with, and it's almost 40-minute video I am having. So please guys, like, share, subscribe, and I am doing really a headache, I think. Okay, so bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos, and please increase my subscriber by power, and then subscriber to the power 1000, which will be as my subscriber right now. So please tell the answer in comment box. I am here to give you thumbs up. Bye bye.